Guys, Ted here, and right now I am going to be showing you how to get the jet here, like this kit, like really fast.
I know what you fantasize about. I know what
Yeah, this is how you do it. First, you need this hinge blocks, which is 150. I mean, I could easily get them. I already have them, but I'm going to show you how to get it from like scratch. So, first we gotta find one that gives you 150 gold, which is the target. So, wait, this isn't gonna be from scratch really, but you're just not. Okay, so first, just click soccer, and place any block down, like just a block down, like right there, and it should just roll into the goal like this. And you'll get 50 gold for it.
Go!
Okay. So I got 50 gold. Now, yeah, you're gonna have to have a lot of blocks for this one, so it's not really gonna be from scratch. But for this, you just place a bunch of blocks down. Make sure it's like even and stuff. You place a bunch of blocks down like in a really big tower. If you fall off, you might have to restart, or like if you can't jump back up. I mean, unless you have things like candy, like that. So yeah, just make a giant tower. Okay, and after you make a giant tower, which I'm not gonna do because it's really hard. Not really hard, but it's kind of hard. Oh frick, I forgot you can't use jetpacks. And no jets either, right? No jet turbines. Okay, so after you do that, you make a giant tower, which I'm actually, going to do now because it's like really hard and it's just, but it's really hard. It's not actually like really hard. It's not like impossible hard, but it is kind of hard, honestly. Yeah, so you want to get it to like about this tall. And what you do is you do a bunch of blocks outward like that. And you place a seat down, which you place like this seat down right here, which, yeah, you sit here and you start. Oh, why does it fall that? It didn't. Okay, so what's supposed to happen is it's supposed to fall forward and you jump off and hit the target. But it didn't do that for some reason. So, yeah, but that's what's supposed to happen. Okay, after you do that, you should be able to get the hinges, so make sure to get them. And then what you need to do is do the Find Me quest. So how this works now is you click on this, and you build up a little bit, and a little bit more, and you click on that, and you go over here and build up here as well. Like this, and you click on that. And this one's the hardest, honestly. You need to get up there, which is the hardest, but that's the reason why you got the hinges. So place a seat down and get a hinge, place it down. It only works on like this type of character, so it's like this body, I mean, so try to just make your character like that body. If it's square, it might not work. If it's any other style, I don't know. And you place it like right here. This looks kind of weird, but make sure to unanchor it. Okay, Okay, so just place your seat down. Place this. And click the plus, click anchor block, and then if it's a check, make it not a check, and then you do that, and you can just like do this. And go to shift lock switch mode. If it works without it, but I like it. It's like the best with it. So then what you want to do is go like right here and break it, and you can click it. Now this one is you absolutely need to be able to fly. If you don't fly, you need a bunch of blocks to do it. So, which is how I did it because I didn't know about this glitch. So this is what you do. You come over here, you go up, you're probably wondering where I'm going, and no, it's not to the end. But you actually go right there. Look, there it is. I need that. And boom. Then you click it, and you get your 1,000 gold, which I didn't get it because I already did it. I got 4 gold because I died here. So then you just reset, and now you're able to do this. So how this works? There's actually multiple ways. You could do it like the way with the jets, where you in the harpoon, where you push it into like a box and then you fly to the end with it. You could do it a way where you actually spawn a boat and attach a harpoon to it, like so. And you go to the end with that, which doesn't really work. Or the way that is the easiest, but the longest, you place a block, and that's it. You place a block. But and then what it has to do is it has to go through every single stage. It takes a while, but it works. It really works. Actually, you know what? I'm going to test something real quick, which might be an easier way if you have portals. Which do cost Robux, but there's 2 codes that I'm pretty sure are expired by now that work. And also, you do need the jets for it. Frick! Okay, so I'm going to place down this. Here, I'm just going to try it out really fast. This isn't the way you're supposed to do it, but it might work. First, before I actually do it, because it might not even work, so I'm gonna see if it can go through the portal. What the heck? I can't. There we go. No, I can't. I can't go through the portal. Okay, never mind. That didn't work. Okay. So, yeah, let's just do this way. So you just place any block there. Oh, no. It's not moving. I'll place this block then. I did something. Okay, I'm going to place a cannon. You don't need to... Okay, I got an idea. I'm going to place a harpoon. So normally you can just place a block down to make it go into the water like I did before. But that didn't... What the heck is that? That's a giant tank. Oh my god, that's cool. Yeah, so normally you could just place a block down there, and then when you place a block, it will just make it go this way. Okay. I'm dragging it over here. This is funny. Okay, now it's here. And now, yeah, it should be rolling. Hold on, I got an idea. You don't actually need any of this. All you literally need is a block to get in the water. You just place it under it. I just messed it up, so there it goes. So now, all you have to do is you sit down, do the flying glitch with this, with, yes, you can actually get to the end with this and get money. That's how I got 1,000 before, because I already did the that quest that gives you 1,000, which is the find me quest. And then what you do is you do this. You fly above it and wait for it to get to the end. Make sure not to start your boat so you can delete it afterwards when you get to the end, because otherwise it's not going to work. I mean, another way to do it, if you have another person with this with the flying glitch, and also this actually works a little better so it doesn't just randomly go up, you actually do this. The other person sits there on that chair, and it looks really weird, but that's how you do it. Oh no, my wings fell off. It looks so weird without wings. So yeah, I'll see you when it's at the end. Okay guys, I decided to do something a little different also since it's a tank in my base. And I don't know if this worked or not, if it's doing better or if it's doing worse. Oh, it did actually better. I made it go into a portal, so like it went a little faster and it's actually working. And now it's like, no, why? It's like going. So yeah, guys, it takes, the first time I did this, it actually took like about 20 minutes, so 20 to 10 minutes. Don't just not try to do it though. It's very worth it, honestly. It is so worth it. Yeah, know what? I'm gonna put that chair on me again. And while I'm doing that, you guys get to skip through the whole thing. I mean, process. So, I wanted to see what would happen if I do what is going on? Okay, know it. Okay, guys, here's a little fact, but this, oh no! But why would okay, a YouTuber actually made this level. Yeah, that's true. Why do I keep falling out of the sky? This level is annoying, but a YouTuber actually made it, because it's pretty cool, honestly, though. It's annoying, so I'm just going to stand here. Actually, that's not going to protect me. No, while I'm at it, I'm going to go get that chest. There's a chest in this cave over here. I can't see. I regret wanting to go in here. I got it. I can see a little bit. There we go. I'm gonna just sit here. That's funny. When I fall, apparently, I sit on the chair. Ah! Oh no! No, the chair broke. And now I'm dead. Okay, time to reset this again. I'm not resetting the soccer ball though. Okay, guys, I just tried something else other than a chair. I tried a suspension piece, and I'm going crazy. It's like spazzing out. No, yeah, I'm not using it. I'm just gonna go back to the normal chair. Okay, you guys get the point. This is gonna take a while. Yeah, this is gonna take a while, guys. Yes, it does work though. I have 100% done it before, but since it's gonna take a while and I want to show you it getting to the end and stuff, I'm gonna show you how to do it with the jets. For those of you who have the jets and just want the 3,000, so sorry for you other guys that don't have the jets, but you know how to do it. So this is how you do it with the jets, and you need the harpoons. So if you don't have the harpoons, it's not gonna work either. So sorry for the people that don't have that stuff. Okay. So what you do is you make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 6 by 6 by 6 box. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so just make a 6 by 6 box like this. And then you get your harpoon out, stick the ball, and get the ball in the box. Like this. And then what you do is you build up the walls. 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. This video might be a little bit longer than 20 minutes, but that's okay. And the ball might fall out of the box, so try to be careful. I think it should be a little bigger, but I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna make it 1 taller, so it's gonna be 6 by 6 by 7. It might not work though, so if you can, make it 6 by 6 by 6. Okay, now the ball should be stuck in there. And what you do is you place, where are the jets? You place 3 jets on it. And you place your chair. And you fly to the end. It's working. I've never had this work before because I've never had the hard. No! What? Stop! Stop. It's really hard to control because it just goes down a bunch, so, and it spazzes out sometimes, so be careful. And make sure you have all 3 jets, because 2 gets you to the end, but 1 might die. Like what just happened. Okay, so guys, I was trying to save power by like rolling on this, but my jet my other jet broke now, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it to the end. I mean, I might be able to if I can do it with this, which is probably. Guys, I just died, but it's probably still gonna make it to the end because it's closer, so I'm just gonna do the glitch. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So just pretend that I just got it all the way to the end, like that. So, like without the jets. So just pretend that. Because if you don't have the jets, then just pretend that. Or like if you have the jets and you don't have the harpoon, or if you have the harpoon but not the jets, like stuff like that. So I'm just gonna fly over to the end fast. Okay, so when I did that, it apparently despawned. Oh my god, what the heck? So also doing this works, like harpooning a ball to a boat, as I said before, which works. And dragging it along with you as you're going through. You know what? I'm doing something else. This is what I'm doing. Let's do this. I honestly hate literally most of these physics in the whole game. I hate. Look how the ball just drags you. It makes you fly all over the place. Honestly, this reminds me of I'm in a giant car and there's a ball on a chain in the back that just destroys everything in its path. Don't ask me where I have that memory from, okay? It's definitely not from real. No, I'm just kidding. Don't you just... I literally hate this. Why? Okay, well, guys, how this works. You know what? I can't show you actually because this is like really hard. So I'm just gonna show you what happened. Okay, guys, this might not work, but just pretend this is the big ball, like the big soccer ball. So you have to get this to the chest. Yep. I did it how I think. Okay, no, never mind. So just pretend I'm the big soccer ball. So when it falls down here, and it comes over here, you have to, it will probably either just stay at the edge where it like pops out like this, or it will keep rolling slowly. And your job is to direct it to the chest. So if I'm going this way, you push me like over here, and when it touches the chest, you don't die, but like it doesn't explode. It makes the sound effect like, remember that here. So it makes this sound effect. Go! And then this is what happens. It gives you 10 soccer balls. Yeah, that's it. It doesn't give you the 3,000. Why'd you expect it? No, just kidding. It gives you the 3,000 gold as well. It also gives you 10 soccer balls, which is pretty cool. So yeah, that was my first video on Build a Boat for Treasure. I'm actually kind of good at it. No, I'm not. And also, look at this funny glitch. Okay, so guys, what is going on? I only tried this glitch out like once, and this is the only time, and I've seen it before. But look, it just goes like that. It's so funny. It just spins it around. Okay, so guys, oh no, it didn't work. Okay, so this is a really good one. So guys, that's, oh my god, why does it just have to stop? Okay, no, so guys, that is it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed. My foot is getting shocked by this blade. And I will see you all next time. What am I doing? So yeah, I'll see you all next time. Bye.
Tell me pretty lies.